Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad Sangma ula pentip pakakenhun Menteri Klaminjur ban Thied Jaka ha Greater Noida naga Sorkar Uttar Pradesh bantai Jaka Meghalaya House. Habagran chikila patai kubor ulong bagakat leng sun ka Jewar Airport shan ansate thamai ha katika Jaka da ka boong bakatai ka Jaka kan salong ka padeng pat kan salong ka jing mentoy na ka bantagi kena samla dua pule shabar ne kinu ki bandit kai shabar. Shushu uloong baka Sorkar ka Thied ya katika Jaka kumba pra 1000 square meter ha kedua kaba laipu ar klor tingka bat ya kani laai kajing menjurlang dagi kenhun menteri.
To procure land in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, keeping in mind for Meghalaya House, keeping in mind that the Jewar Airport is coming up there and it will become a very important center, and therefore government felt the need that to expand and ensure that we have an infrastructure for our students and for our citizens who travel to the national capital and around NCR region. That it would be important to have a setup in that area. So we have decided that land which is purchased from the government, this is government to government, about 8,000 square meters of land at a rate of 32 crores, which again, as I said, is a government rate, and the land is being purchased from the government itself. So today that was approved by the cabinet.